Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use like photos or like videos for like coloring on CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this as my video. You can use like a video that has like different colors to create like an effect. I'll just show you that first. So select the video and select any blend mode that you want for like the coloring. Maybe the soft light works the best, like that, and you can like copy and paste it if the duration isn't long enough, or even like make the video slower. But this is the first like way to do it. It creates like this like kind of party coloring effect on it. Or you can use just an image like this one, for instance, to color like your video. Again, choose a blend mode. I'm going to use soft light, and you can adjust it here. And you can even adjust the like temperature of the image here. Maybe you want it to be a little bit more pink, and you can adjust the saturation here too, the brightness of it, and you can kind of sort of play around with the effects here, and even add in an LUT to the image itself, like so. Maybe something like this one, but it's totally up to you how you want to like adjust it. You can add another filter on top of it too. As you can see, it made it a little bit more blue. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!